Looking for flagship power on a budget? OnePlus just launched the 13R in the US today, a $599 mid-range monster with a 6.7-inch, 120Hz MOLED, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and a 6000 mAh battery. It's trending big on experts' insane value. Stick around to see why this phone's a 2025 game changer. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. OnePlus is shaking up the mid-range scene with the OnePlus 13R launched today in the US. Rocking a 6.78-inch 120Hz MOLED, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and a massive 6000 mAh battery, it's a steal at $599. X-users are calling it a flagship killer, and sources say it's the value pick of 2025. Let's dive into why this phone's got everyone buzzing. So, what's the OnePlus 13R packing? It's got a 6.78-inch 1.5K MOLED with 120Hz refresh rate, 4500 nits peak brightness, and Dolby Vision for vibrant Netflix binges or gaming. Protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, it's tough and scratch resistant. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 4.0 storage crushes demanding games like Call of Duty Mobile with zero lag, thanks to a dual cryo velocity VC cooling system, keeping temperatures at 47 degrees Celsius max. The 6000 mAh battery lasts 2 days on average. Users got 1.5 days with heavy use, and 80-watt Super VOOC charges it in 55 minutes. The 50MP Sony LYT700 main camera with OIS, 50MP 2-time telephoto, and 8MP ultra-wide delivers sharp shots, plus a 16MP selfie camera. Running Oxygen OS 15 on Android 15, it offers 4 years of OS updates and AI tools like AI Unblur and AI Notes. With IP65 and AquaTouch 2.0, it's rain-ready. Why is this trending? X-users are freaking out over the $599 price. That's $200 less than the OnePlus 13 and half the iPhone 16 Pro's cost. Posts are calling it the mid-range king for pairing a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with a 6000 mAh battery. Users say it shames last year's flagships, though the 80-watt charging is slower than the 12R's 100-watt. Compared to the $600 Galaxy A56, the 13R's telephoto lens and faster chip give it an edge for gamers and photographers. The Oxygen OS 15 AI suite with AI Eraser and Intelligent Search boosts productivity, but there's no eSIM or wireless charging. With Beacon Link for 200-meter Bluetooth range and a lifetime display warranty against screen lines, it's a value-packed steal. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture the 13R in your pocket. What's your vibe? Dominating Genshin Impact on that 120Hz MOLED? Snapping crisp 2x zoom portraits? Or going 2 days without a charger? Drop your dream 13R moment in the comments.